Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today I wanted to show you all how I have been styling my box braids. I've had them in for I think about 2 months now, so they're not the freshest braids, but I did go in and touch them up using my Eco Styler gel and those little black rubber bands just along my hairline. So if your braids are feeling old and you want to freshen them up, then that might be a quick fix for you. But yeah, I don't want to ramble too much. Let's just jump right into the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. All of your support means so much to me. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video.